I will say the neck thing scares me. Like when they crank your neck, like I'm like you're gonna break my neck or kill me, dude. Those neck pops are kind of scary.
Which
dude.
is I think that is for a lot of people. Just
scary.
For me, I don't know. I'm not
just trust it. Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, you got to know that
Freaking Jackie Chan.
they would have
neck
to
break, bro.
torque your neck to destroy you. I mean, I guess in that position they still could do it.
Yeah,
it's just not
I'm sure
something
they
I'm
could
worried
hurt
about.
you,
And if
but
I
no.
go that way, I hope they kill me and not paralyze me. So I'm Christopher Reeves, like blowing on a straw to get around everywhere.
I believed in chiropractors.
I'm not a robot.